The day the station opened, the villagers eagerly waited on the platform of the Tuyuan station for the train, but it didn't stop. The train driver was Qiang's father, who was following the rules since the station wasn't officially recognized. After work, Qiang's father saw an article in a monthly magazine blaming Qiang for his mother and sister's deaths. Angry, he called the journalist, questioning why they reported such things, unaware it could ruin his son's life. His wife died from childbirth complications, and his daughter drowned accidentally, unrelated to his son. The journalist said Qiang himself had told them everything and suggested he talk to his son. Meanwhile, Qiang's teacher found him and secured an opportunity for him to study abroad, with the exam scheduled. The next morning, upon hearing the news, his father thought for a long time and finally broke the rules, stopping the train at the makeshift station. He rushed home, waking Qiang from his sleep. Surprised, Qiang boarded the train with his father, starting a new chapter. His teacher waited outside the station to personally take him to the exam, but his father opened the train door. In the small carriage, father and son were close for the first time. Since his father hadn't been to Seoul, they used a map and drove all night to reach the exam venue, arriving late. While his father argued with security, Qiang dashed into the exam hall. In the end, Qiang met everyone's expectations and received the acceptance letter. His father, overjoyed, shouted that his son was a genius. That night, they drank a little and lay on a small table in the yard. His father suddenly apologized to Qiang for not taking leave earlier. This led to Qiang's mother dying in childbirth. Qiang won first prize in a maths competition, but his father couldn't attend due to work, which led to his sister's accident. The train she fell from was the one he drove. He thought of ending it all but remembered he had Qiang to care for, so he lived on. Qiang believed he caused his sister's death and longed for his father's approval. After sharing their feelings, they finally resolved their issues, realizing they deeply loved each other. The family embraced. Some time later, the village station was officially recognized. Qiang was about to study abroad, and his father held his hand tightly. They took a precious photo at the station. His sister came to see him off, knowing he was grown and couldn't be watched over forever. She wished him well and vanished like a light, leaving her brother in tears, saying goodbye to her. Before boarding, Jen rushed over, worriedly telling him not to fall ill, to eat well, and to remember to write. This time, Qiang finally took initiative.